Alright, so once we've got the pilot jet out, which is this guy, and he sits in that tube over there, main jet over there, with the emulsion tube, which is this guy, and we remove that pilot jet with a flat screwdriver. What I do is I put this in and I push down really hard. I engage with the jet and I hold it engaged, and then I crack it loose. The thing about these is if they've been removed once or twice by amateurs, then these get widened and damaged, and the screwdriver doesn't interact, and if they're torqued too tight into position, then they don't want to come out nicely. So that's how I do it. If you cannot crack it loose, heat this up with a MAP gas flame, up and down, up and down, up and down, until it's nice and hot. Around 120 degrees should do it. And then try that screwdriver trick again, and you should get this guy loose. So what we want is zero sidewall buildup along the length of that jet, from top to bottom. We want zero buildup. And the way we can clean anything out, you can spray carb cleaner in there, that's great, but it's just going to remove some surface, the outer surface of the buildup. That's not good enough. So what I do is I take a wire brush and I steal one bristle. I've actually taken an electrical, what they call it, a bootlace, and I've crimped a piece of wire brush into a bootlace, like so. And what I'll do is I'll move that in and out of the jet and twist it as I'm doing that, because we've got these rounded undulations on the wire brush, and that fixes that. So here we have the emulsion tube or needle jet. Earlier I described cleaning this with Scotch-Brite, which I've done. You can see it's nice and shiny, and we're going to pass this wire brush through each hole, double-sided, twist it, twist and turn, twist and turn. We do that 5 times and we clean it out. Then we use carb cleaner. Only then can you be sure that you have cleaned that region. Alright, on to the next video.